Alright, hello, my wonderful students. This is part number 2 of Foldable number 2. And for this one, we have the 3 times the fifth root of x plus 3 cubed plus 1 equals 25. So first things first, we're going to isolate the radical expression, and then we're going to go ahead and simplify the radical expression. So in order to do that, first we're going to subtract the 1 to both sides, and we're going to get our 3 times the fifth root of x plus 3 cubed. That's a 3. And this is 1 minus 1 goes to 0 equal to 24. 25 minus 1. Then we're going to go ahead and divide 3 to both sides. This is going to simplify the 3 over here, leaving us just with the fifth root of x plus 3 cubed equal to 24 divided by 3 would be 8. In order to get rid of the fifth root, we're going to go ahead and raise this to the fifth power. But if we do that, we also have to do it to this side here. So now we're, this is going to simplify here, leaving us just with x plus 3 cubed equal to 8 to the fifth power. Alright, so in order to get rid of this one now we have to take the cubic root, because remember this is to the third power, so we got to take a cubic root here. So we also have to take a cubic root here. And then we're going to go ahead and this simplifies out here, leaving us just with x plus 3 is equal to the cube root of 8 to the fifth power. In order to see this, we already know that we can rewrite this here. Let's do it in, what haven't we used? We used all the colors. So just a side note here, just a little bubble. We know if we have the cube root of 8 to the fifth power, we can actually rewrite this as the cube root of 8 and then to the fifth power, because we already know the cube root of 8 is 2, so this would just be 2 to the fifth power here. So we can rewrite that, knowing, side note here, this is going to be 2 to the fifth power. Cool, that being said, 2 to the fifth power is actually 32. So 32, and this is x plus 3. We're just going to go ahead and now, yep, I don't know why I thought I goofed, but no, it didn't. So we're going to subtract 3 to both sides. We're going to get x is equal to, 29. So now we're going to go ahead and check for extraneous solutions. So we're going to go ahead and take this 29 here. We're going to put it into our original equation, which is 3 times the fifth root of 29 plus 3 to the third power plus 1 equals 25. And we're going to go ahead and solve for that. So if we do this here, we have the 3 times the fifth root of 29 plus 3, which gives us a 32 to the third power, plus 1 equals 25. So in order to do that, first thing we're going to do is, once again, we're going to do another side note on this side. But this time what we're going to do, the 32, we're going to rewrite it again. So we have this little side note here. We're going to take the fifth root of 32 cubed and rewrite it as the fifth root of 32 cubed. And I already know the fifth root of 32 is 2 because we kind of worked that over here, because 2 to the fifth power was 32. So this is going to be 2 cubed. So we're going to rewrite this whole thing here as, yeah, we're doing red, it's fine. 3 times 2 cubed plus 1 equals 25. And then we'll go ahead and finish everything in green. So we know 2 cubed is 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. So this would be 3 times 8 plus 1. So 3 times 8 is 24. 25 plus 1, and 24 plus 1 does indeed equal 25, and 25 does indeed equal 25. So that means x plus 29 is our solution.